Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the art of writing powerful prompts for AI image generators. It's a skill that can totally transform your creative output, taking you from basic images to breathtaking cinematic masterpieces. The secret? It's all in the words you choose. Let's get started. So, what makes a prompt good? It's not about writing a novel. It's about being specific, evocative, and giving the AI clear visual commands. Think of yourself as a director and the AI as your incredibly talented but very literal production team. You need to paint a picture with your words. Let's break down an example that really works. A black girl with glowing gold magic weaving a protective shield in a neon-lit city. Why is this so effective? Let's dissect it piece by piece. First, we have a clear subject. A black girl. This is direct and unambiguous. The AI knows exactly who the central figure is. Next, we add a magical, dynamic element with glowing gold magic. The word glowing is a powerful modifier. It tells the AI not just about the color, but about the light source. Gold gives it a specific, rich hue. Then, weaving a protective shield describes an action. It's not just static magic. It's being actively created, which adds energy and a sense of story to the image. Finally, we set the scene. In a neon-lit city, this is a fantastic choice for setting. Neon-lit immediately suggests a specific aesthetic. Think cyberpunk, vibrant colors, reflections on wet streets, and a modern, edgy atmosphere. It creates a mood and provides a backdrop that contrasts beautifully with the organic golden magic. Each part of this prompt adds a specific, crucial layer to the final image. Let's try creating a variation to see how small changes can have a big impact. What if we change the setting? Let's try. A black girl with glowing gold magic weaving a protective shield in an ancient, moonlit forest. Now the entire mood shifts. The neon-lit city's chaotic energy is replaced by the serene, mystical quiet of a forest at night. The moonlit detail is key, suggesting silvery light and deep shadows, which will interact differently with the glowing gold magic. See how that works? The core idea is the same, but the context changes everything. This is the power of a well-chosen setting. It's not just a background. It's a character in your story. Your setting can define the color palette, the lighting, and the overall emotional tone of your creation. Now, let's play with the magic itself. Instead of glowing gold magic, what if we said crystalline ice magic, or swirling shadow magic? Crystalline ice suggests sharp, geometric patterns, transparency, and a cool blue or white color palette. Swirling shadow implies something more mysterious, maybe less defined and darker. These aren't just color swaps. They change the very texture and nature of the power being depicted. When you're writing your prompts, think about adjectives. Don't just say a sword. Say a gleaming, ornate sword. Don't just say a dress. Say a flowing, ethereal, silk dress. These details are the building blocks of a compelling image. They guide the AI's imagination and fill in the blanks, preventing it from making generic choices. Let's go back to our original prompt and think about the camera angle and shot type. This is a pro-level tip. If you want a more cinematic feel, specify the shot. For example, cinematic wide shot of a black girl with glowing gold magic weaving a protective shield in a neon-lit city. Adding cinematic wide shot tells the AI to pull the camera back, showing the scale of the city and making our hero feel both powerful and perhaps a little small against the vast urban landscape. What if we wanted to focus on her expression? We could try intense close-up shot of a black girl's face, her eyes glowing with gold magic as she weaves a protective shield, the neon lights of the city reflected in her eyes. Now, the story is about her determination. The focus is on the emotion, the personal struggle or concentration, rather than the grand spectacle. The shield might even be off camera or just partially visible. Remember, every word is a command. Think about these core elements for your next prompt. Subject, who or what? Action, what are they doing? Setting, where are they? And details, adjectives, lighting, colors, mood. And if you want to get advanced, add camera work, shot type, angle, lens. Let's try building a new one from scratch together using this formula. Our subject, an old, wise librarian. Our action, opening a dusty, ancient book. Our setting, a vast, circular library with endless shelves stretching into the darkness. And for our details, a single beam of sunlight illuminates him from a high window. Dust motes dancing in the light. Putting it all together, a cinematic shot of an old, wise librarian opening a dusty, ancient book in a vast circular library. A single beam of sunlight illuminates him from a high window. Dust motes dancing in the light. Can you picture it? The AI now has a rich, detailed scene to generate. It knows the character, the action, the epic scale of the location, and the specific dramatic lighting. This process is a creative partnership between you and the AI. Your prompts are the starting point of a conversation. The more clearly and creatively you speak, the more astounding the AI's reply will be. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try combining seemingly unrelated concepts. An astronaut riding a whale through a nebula, a medieval knight ordering coffee in a Parisian cafe. The weirder, the better sometimes. That's how you discover unique and unexpected visual styles. I hope this deep dive into prompt crafting has been helpful and inspires you to create some amazing art. It's a skill that gets better with practice. So go ahead and start experimenting with these techniques. The only limit is your imagination. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Let me know in the comments what amazing prompts you come up with. We'll see you in the next one. Stay creative.